and the struggle continues after Hurricane Irma. Keys residents are just returning south, and many are arriving home to demolished houses, no power, and a boil water order. It's going to be a rough recovery period. And Local 10 News reporter Terrell Forney is live in Key West right now with a closer look. Terrell.
Well, it's been about 36 hours since the entire Florida Keys opened up to residents and business owners. So many people still assessing their property and realizing they need those crucial supplies, bottled water, meals ready to eat, and ice. Items that are all being handed out at this pickup spot here in Key West. And as you can see, it has been a non-stop line all day. Images of a battered and bruised Florida Keys in the wake of Hurricane Irma is proof that the recovery effort will take months, if not years. But Governor Rick Scott is confident that the crucial tourism economy could be up and rolling just in a matter of weeks.
My goal is, what can we do to move things along? What are your limitations to try to do everything we can to get everybody back to doing business again by the 1st of October?
Today, the governor and the U.S. Secretary for Health and Human Services visited the Keys to assess the needs of the area, where so many people are still without power or running water. In fact, we learned today that 10,000 homes were left uninhabitable in Monroe County alone. That's 20% of the homes in the Keys, thanks to the intense winds and/or storm surge that flooded out people like Amy Rodriguez.
Very emotional. It's everything that you have. It's very hard that you come into a home and it's empty, you know, and the appliances and the cost that's going to do it, and just it's unreal.
The heavy cleanup is a non-stop effort. It's typically the slow season for the Keys, but the tourist season usually picks up in October. But at this point, visitors are not yet welcomed back.
We've got a long road to go. We've got activity that will be occurring here on the recovery side for months, if not longer. And as you can see, another live look here in Key West. The need certainly is huge. So many families are in crucial need of these supplies. They just want to return to normal. And speaking of that normalcy, we've also learned that the Monroe County School District, they are trying to get students back in school. They're entering their 3rd week of having classes canceled because of the effects from this storm, but they are hoping that schools will resume on Monday, September 25th. They are asking all staff members to report to those facilities this coming up Thursday and Friday. We are live in Key West. I'm Terrell Forney, Local 10 News.